Okay, here's the AI prompt we're going to use. I'm going to leave this in the description of the video just in case you need it. I created this prompt to help you create an FAQ for any product or service. So all you need to do is basically fill in the actual placeholders here, and then run the prompt and it will create a nice funnel content for your FAQ pages. So let's run that and see what happens. Your FAQ page isn't just a formality, and here's how to unlock that power. Hey, what's up? My name's Des from the Ecom Corner, and today's video we're going to show you the untapped potential of your FAQ pages. And what I'm also going to do in this video is I'm going to show you how you can make your FAQ pages your secret conversion booster. So there are a few problems with FAQ pages as we see them at the moment. So most e-commerce stores have really bland, unhelpful FAQ pages, and to be honest with you, when most customers read them, they pretty much click off, no wiser, no better off. And the reason why this is they fail to relate to your customers' concerns, they don't answer their questions effectively, and if they don't get the answers they want, they pretty much just bounce. I can't even start to tell you how many sales have been lost by unimaginative and really bland FAQ pages. I mean, let's face it, most FAQ pages are where customers' curiosity goes to die, and with it, your potential sales. So let me explain to you a concept that the top Shopify stores are using at the moment. The reason why they're so powerful, the reason why they're so effective, and the reason why they are producing sales that are increasing year over year is they use the FAQ pages as funnel pages. Now, can you see how this works? In essence, what you're doing is you're following the customer journey and you're writing FAQs that will answer their questions at each point of their journey. And that's what makes these FAQ funnel pages so damn effective. So you're probably asking yourself, how do you actually start crafting an FAQ page like a funnel page? And the answer is really simple. What you do is you map out your customer journey, and then you look at the data from your own website and then start crafting your FAQ pages just like funnel pages. So in essence, what you're doing is you're structuring your FAQ in a logical flow, mirroring the customer journey. And then what you're going to do is you're going to use AI tools to analyze your customer service interactions for FAQ insights. And then you're going to implement dynamic FAQ sections that adapt based on your user behavior. So can you see how this works? And the reason why this is so powerful is it covers a lot of ground in a very small section of your website. So here are some potential obstacles in why people don't craft really great FAQ pages. Sometimes they feel that they're going to overwhelm their visitors with too much information, so they give them really basic information. They also fail to update their FAQs regularly, and they also don't integrate the FAQs within the overall site navigation. So the key here is balance. What you need to do is you need to provide enough information to satisfy their curiosity without overwhelming your visitors. And luckily for you, what I've done is I've designed an AI prompt that you can use to craft your perfect FAQ pages. Now, you don't just have to have one FAQ page, you can have multiple FAQ pages depending on the product that you're actually going to be using the actual FAQ for. So all you would do is you'd fill in the blanks, you fill in the placeholders of the FAQ AI prompt that I'm going to give you. You use either something like ChatGPT or Claude to craft your FAQ pages specific to the page that it's actually going on. And if we take just a quick 10-second breather, I've actually created a video down in the description of this video that shows you how to create custom pages on Shopify. So let's quickly show you how to use the AI prompt, how to actually fill in the placeholders, and then what the results look like for your specific custom page or your specific FAQ page. Okay, here's the AI prompt we're going to use. I'm going to leave this in the description of the video just in case you need it. I created this prompt to help you create an FAQ for any product or service. So all you need to do is basically fill in the actual placeholders here, and then run the prompt and it will create a nice funnel content for your FAQ pages. So let's run that and see what happens. Okay, so what I've done is I've filled in some dummy details here, and the product we're looking at is the Flex Chill Pro, which is a portable air conditioner. So we filled in the dummy details just there, and then I ran the prompt, and this is the basically what you'll see, you've got awareness, learning about portable air conditioners, you've got consideration, comparing different portable AC models, you've got decision, purchase, and post-purchase. So that's basically what the customer journey is. So what the AI prompt does, it takes all this information and it creates an FAQ funnel content for your page. So these are the funnel FAQs. So first one, stage one is awareness. So it asks that question. It also has a call to action there, and it gives you suggestions, keywords, personalization. It also gives you a second question just there. You've got the consideration part of the FAQ page, which is basically just asking, is the Flex Chill Pro easy to move from room to room? And again, another FAQ just there. Next one is the decision, which is stage 3, stage 4, which is purchase, and then stage 5 is post-purchase. So what it's doing is basically tracking the whole journey for your customer. It's asking questions and then answering them based on what their journey is. All right. It also gives you rich snippet formatting, visual content suggestions, and keyword integration as well. So what do you think of this AI prompt? Is this something you can use to actually produce your FAQ pages for your product pages and your general customer service pages? Let us know in the comments below. Now, you might be thinking there's a catch, and to be honest, there really isn't. It really is that simple. It is a case of gathering as much detail and info as you can about the product or the service that you're actually offering, fill in the placeholders within the actual AI prompt, click a button, and you've literally got your FAQ page just there. Now, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And as I just said, in the description of this video, I go into actually how to craft these custom pages for your Shopify store. See you in the next video.